Welcome. My name is Louis, and I am an educational and child psychologist. Through these video tutorials, I will be introducing you to the SOFA application. SOFA stands for Stories Online for Autism. It is a digital application that aims to help with the development and designs of stories for children with autism. Autism is a condition that affects how a person thinks, feels, and interacts with others, and experiences their environment. Worldwide, it is estimated that 1 in 54 children is on the autism spectrum. The SOFA app is a project created by the University of Bath with support from Inspire and Epic. The app was initially developed by a research team based within the Center of Applied Autism Research at the University of Bath. It was developed in collaboration with a number of local schools for children on the autism spectrum and together with families from the autism community. SOFA is available free of charge with no within-app purchases. The goal of the application is to support further the autism community. SOFA runs on Android and iOS, smartphones and tablets, and was developed by Deloitte Digital. The aim behind SOFA is to support children and individuals with autism to better understand the social world through specially developed stories. The SOFA app helps parents, guardians, and professionals working with children on the autism spectrum. The SOFA app helps to create individualized stories that facilitate accurate transfer of information. SOFA has two modes: the adult mode, where stories can be written and developed, and the child mode, where children can access their stories. The application also comes with an extensive story library, which consists of stories on common situations and activities, which can be used and adapted. These stories covered a wide range of topics, from personal hygiene and going to the dentist, also to COVID-19. These video tutorials will help anyone using SOFA to learn how to use the SOFA application more effectively. For more information about SOFA, please visit the website sofa-app.org.